Hello my dear children, welcome in Shruti's online class. Children, we have already introduced about the structure of bird, types of beaks of birds and information about feet and claws of birds in lesson number 4. The name of lesson is Bird, a Flying Wonder. Children, today we are going to take the information about how do birds fly. So let's start. Children, all we want to fly in the sky like a bird. If we have a wings, we can reach anywhere easily. In school also. There is no need of school bus. And it is dream of all of us. Birds refer to the group of animals that have the ability to fly because they have wings. Birds have many physical features beside wings that work together to enable them to fly. They need lightweight, streamlined, rigid structure to flight. The four forces of flight, that is weight, lift, drag and thrust, affect the flight of birds. Children, all we know that birds fly with the help of their wings, which are the modified forelimbs, means front limbs of an animal. Wings are joined to the body with strong muscles that help them to move. They have flight muscles which help them to fly in the air. Flight muscles are strong muscles which move the wings up and down. A bird flaps its wings to push the air down and rises slowly into the air. When it reaches high in the air, it does not need to flap its wings anymore because warm currents of air push it and allow it to glide. It changes its direction during flight by tail. Here, flap means the action of bird waving its wings while flying. So children, let's see the movements of wings. To fly, a bird flaps its wings both in the upward and downward directions. These strokes are called upstroke and downstroke respectively. Here, upstroke means wings move upward and backward, and downstroke means wings move downward and forward. Children, do you know some birds have wings but cannot fly? Can you guess the examples of such birds? Tell me. Okay, these birds are called flightless birds. The bodies of such birds are very heavy to allow flying. They just walk on the ground with the help of their legs. For examples, kiwi, penguin and ostrich. Children, the egg of an ostrich is the largest of all the bird's egg. Children, do you know penguin is a black and white aquatic bird that lives in the Antarctica. It uses its wings to swim in water. Children, I hope all of you have understood the concept. Next point in this lesson, that is homes of birds, we will see in next video. Till that time, bye bye, see you and thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe my channel.